Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi. Today we are taking another Jamaica driving directions trip, and we're going from downtown Kingston to Portmore by the toll road. So we're starting off on East Street, downtown Kingston, and as we approach the stoplight, this is at the intersection with East Queen Street, which goes down into Parade. So we continue right down onto East Street towards, like we're going towards the harbor. And we have a little few bumps here and there on the road, but that's okay. So as you see, as we go towards, it's like we're approaching the Kingston Harbor. So in the background, you will see on the right some high-rise buildings, which are some of our, like the Bank of Jamaica is way down to the bottom. And you have Scotia Center on your right. And this first building on your right is the Air Jamaica building. And when we turn, you will see the Scotia Center head office on your left. This is Water Lane, where you have a lot of Jamaican art. A lot of murals are going up now there. So you have a stoplight. Be very careful when you're turning right. Ensure to stay in the right lane. So as you see, most of these roads are one-way. Harbor Street, which is going towards the left, that's a one-way to the left. So we're going to turn right at Port Royal Street. So Bank of Jamaica is further down on Nether Soul Place. You can drive that side if you want to drive on the coast, and there are some restaurants on that side. So now we're going straight on Port Royal Street. That's Duke Street we're passing. You turn right here to go to Duke Street. So this road runs parallel to Ocean Boulevard, which is on the coast. That's Church Street. Going left. So we're going to cross over now. This is King Street, the main road in downtown Kingston. It's a two-way, and it can take you back to Parade if you turn right. Parade is like the central roundabout in downtown Kingston. So we're waiting here at the stoplight. You can see there's a KFC on your left. And if you go on Harbor Street, you will also find like Burger King and those other fast food places. So we're going straight down now. That's our famous Moby Dick restaurant on your right, that orange building where you get your curry goat. Really lovely curry goat. So I slow down a little so you could see the place. And Digicel head office is on your left. So you go straight down now, going towards Marcus Garvey Drive. There's a gas station on your right if you need to get gas. So that gas station will join this road. You can turn around at the gas station to go back downtown. But I'm going to show you the right place where to turn, because you're not supposed to turn using the gas station as a drive-thru area, only if you're buying gas. So we're speeding up the video a little bit here. We're on Marcus Garvey Drive now. So you're gonna make a slight right as you pass the gas station. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back to this point shortly, but I'm just gonna make a turn around to show you where you need to, if in case you're downtown, you're going towards Marcus Garvey Drive and you want to turn back to go downtown. I'm going to show you the proper way to turn to go downtown. gonna come up to our stoplight and you take the lane on your right here. Go over to your right. Remember to check out my page with my t-shirts. So you go in the right lane and you wait until the arrow is on green. Do not turn unless the arrow is on green if you're not accustomed to the area. Some people might try to take it if both sides are on green, and if you also want to turn to go into separate, you just turn right here and go straight down onto the road which goes to separate, but you're gonna make a U-turn here to go back downtown. But I'm not gonna go straight downtown. I'm gonna turn back at the gas station. I'm gonna get some gas and then turn around. So you're gonna go into the right lane. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that red arrow on the bottom right hand corner. So keep in your right lane. So you'll be going straight downtown, but I'm gonna come back around to continue the journey to Portmore. So you see where the gas, I ended up turning into the exit, but I should have turned in the first entrance to the gas station. So I passed the exit, so I'm turning right to this gas station. So I'm gonna exit the gas station now. Started there onto Marcus Garvey Drive. Take the slide right, go around the corner, go straighten up back. You could also turn right there if you want to go downtown. Back. So you go straight, continue straight now on this road, Marcus Garvey Drive. So you're gonna pass some other companies or organizations on your left going down, like we have the Petrojam refinery out here where all the oil comes into the country, some of the LPG and other gas or oil related products. So you go straight down, straight until you reach a big intersection. So you have on the left hand side quite a bit of shipping companies because this road is adjacent almost to the Kingston wharf, but you have this big area on your left where you have a lot of shipping companies. So people will go there to get their papers when they want to import goods into Jamaica or ship goods out. Also have Face Commodity on your left going down, and you have this great big wholesale called Spanish Grain where you can buy wholesale meat items on that road. So you'll have to turn left, but we're going straight down because we're going to Portmore, right? So it's best to keep in your left lane because usually the two lanes on your right, people drive in those lanes to turn right if you're going back to Hagley Park Road or if you're going on Spanish Town Road, right? So if you're going back to Halfway Tree or you're taking the Spanish Town Road to Portmore, which I will show you that video too, you would turn right. But keep in your left lane because if you go, there wasn't much traffic at this point when I'm driving. So, but if you keep in the other two lanes, it's gonna be difficult to come over. So donut man is usually out here selling donuts. So people are really supposed to keep in the right lane like now, but when there's more traffic, the two right lane usually gets filled up with vehicles. So keep on your left lane. And obey the stoplight here. Do not go into the intersection if there's a lot of traffic, because you have a lot of vehicles coming from the left at this point. So we're going straight down. Keep on your left. So another video is coming up where I'm going to show you how to turn right if you want to turn right. But we keep it. So if you don't want to go through the toll, even if you're going to Portmore, you don't want to pay the toll, there's another way you can drive. But here we're going to the toll road. You will also take this road if you're going to the wharf, Kingston wharf, to collect your barrels or clear other goods. So we call this road that we're going to go on now the Port Kingston Causeway. So we just shorten it and call it Causeway. So I will show you the road to turn left to go to the wharf. That's where you would turn to go left. Take your time if you're going to. You can see the containers on your left. Because of how the sun is setting, the video is a bit dark here, but it's not really dark. It's just how the sun is positioned. You take that left there. So we'll continue down. I slowed it down a bit so you can see better what's going on. The speed limit out here is 70 kilometers per hour. Sometimes police is on the road, so be careful. Stick to your 70 kilometers per hour. You don't want to get a ticket. So we're going to go over the Causeway Bridge now. Take your time. It gets a bit windy up here sometimes too. Just take your time. I slowed down for you the video, but I'm not going this slow. So you're gonna go up like a little, and then you're gonna go back down. And the Hunts Bay Pond, or whatever you call it, is on the bay is on your right hand side, but it's a little stagnant now because of the bridge. It sort of affected the circulation in that area. So we'll soon reach the toll road now. So when you at the toll booth, you can go by the tag. If you have a tag and you prepaid on a tag, you can go by the tag. And so you wouldn't have to stop. You just drive right through, unless there's a build-up of traffic. But if you're gonna pay, I paid 340 Jamaican dollars. I think I'm a what? I have never really checked if I'm a class 1 or class 2. Thank you. But I paid 340 Jamaican dollars to go through the toll booth. That's about $2 US and some cents. So when you go through the toll, we're gonna go straight to the big Portmore roundabout. So do not turn left. The left takes you on the coast road. You're gonna keep straight. Because of how the sun is setting in, the video is a little dark here, but just keep going straight. So the coast road will take you straight into Nago's Head and the Port Henderson Road, but we're going to the roundabout. I will show you that route on another trip. So this road will take you straight to the first mall they had in Portmore, which is called the Portmore Mall. We have some newer malls which I'm going to take you to further down. And also if you want to go to Price Mart, this video will show you how to reach there. So keep in the left lane. You're going to have some vehicles coming from the other side of the roundabout too, so be careful how you merge. Keep on your left, and you're going to approach a taxi stand here too. So Portmore Mall is on your left. You have KFC here, you have some supermarkets, and you have an enclosed area, but you have to be very careful. I don't want to comment about the safety of anywhere right now, but just be careful when you go to some of these places if you're not familiar with the area. So you have quite a number of stores in this mall. And you have like courts too, where you buy furniture and so forth on your left. On the right you have Burger King and Captain's Bakery. So you could be careful of the taximen. Sometimes they come out into the road suddenly, so be very careful. But try to keep in the left lane as much as possible. So when you go around here now, it's like on the left side of the roundabout. You have another Spanish green store around here too. And some nice stores you can buy clothes and all of that. And also if you want to go to Mega Mart, it's right at the turn left at the gas station. There's a Petcom gas station here. You turn left right here. So we're going to the end of the road here. So we're taking the left. Go over a bridge here. This is called George Lee Boulevard. You're gonna go over a little bridge. So you're gonna approach another roundabout, a smaller roundabout at the end of this road. If you go straight past the roundabout, you're gonna end up to Nago's Head side, but we don't want to drive there today. We're turning right at the roundabout. You could go straight ahead. I'm gonna take the right at the roundabout. Going through Bridgeport now. Look out for the oncoming traffic, even though you have the right of way. So this is called the Bridgeport Road. Just keep going straight, don't turn off, go straight. And you're gonna come to another roundabout. Keep straight, don't turn anywhere, just go straight ahead. At the roundabout, you're gonna straight across. No turning left or right, going straight. So it's like you go around half the circle and you go straight. Left. Turn at the second road. Square. Yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. this is called Braeton Parkway, and you drive this road to go to the newer malls and also to Price Mart. Pass a gas station here. We're going into Portmore Pines Plaza. I'm gonna get some Island Grill. They have Singer over there, which is also another furniture store, and you get sewing machines and all of that. They have quite a number of stores in this plaza too, and I think there's a health center in here. Around the other side.
Afternoon, so can I get satisfaction, not the yard style, the regular satisfaction?
Barbecue or jerk?
Jerk.
Breast and wing or leg and thigh?
Breast and wing, bite size, please.
Is the order complete?
Can I get some stew chicken gravy, the fricassee gravy on the rice?
Is your order? Any fry breakfast about your order, please?
No, I would like a medium green juice. You take debit card?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, can I get a medium green juice?
1,690.
Thank you.
Collecting my order now. This is a drive-thru. You can also go inside if you want. There's another. Remember to check out my website. This is my meal. It's much more chicken than it looks like here. There's an exit. The exit is different from the entrance. So we turn left because I'm going to the intersection of this road, which is Braeton Parkway. So I'm going to the intersection of this road and Municipal Boulevard. So I'm going to make a little stop at one of the other plazas, the newer plazas, to show you, or the mall to show you.
ICWI Insurance. First Global Bank is in there too. Now we're gonna pass the Portmore tax office. It's gonna be relocated soon, I think. There's a new building being built, a fancy building up top. We have two lovely shopping centers down here. We have Sovereign, and we have
the first shopping center, Sunshine Outlet Mall. You have the Carib Cinema. So I'm past that one. I'm going into this.
potholes. So the supermarket is on your left, so I'm just gonna turn right. Subway. Progressive supermarket. Tising, garden, fish pot, Digicel. A big Digicel stores in here. Wendy's. Some more places inside. There are another Island Grill inside.
You have Popeyes too inside. Cake stores inside. And you have Domino's.
Broadbent. And some nice little stores. A water place. And I'm not gonna drive back around. I'm gonna go to the back gate. They have Sammy's, dental offices, eyeglass place. They have Monarch Pharmacy
And Payless.
Fitness Express upstairs, gym. Nice plaza, really nice plaza. So I'm gonna go to the back gate and drive back to where I'm coming from. So you could drive this road and exit to another, to the main road here. We have Scotiabank here. Oh, famous Scotiabank.
Be careful going around this road.
Drive back onto the entrance over time. Sometimes people are allowed to sell, make a little money.
So we're going right back onto the road where we came off.
This road is so bad going down to the tax office.
This is Braeton Parkway.
So, I don't know the name of that housing scheme over that side. I think it's Silverstone. The Silverstone is that housing scheme over there.
Another gas station on your left. You could go over to go to Price Mart, go over the stoplight to go to Price Mart. And there's another building that's coming up. I think it's a pharmacy.
On the road and you have to watch them closely because while they drive away. So if you want to go to Price Mart, you just go straight ahead. You go over the stoplight, and as you go over the stoplight, the Price Mart is exactly on your left.
There's a huge plaza being built on the right, a huge plaza. We're gonna turn right and pick up back in the next video at exactly as I turn right. I don't want the video to go over half an hour. So at the stoplight, I'm turning right onto Municipal Boulevard. We also call it I-95.
There's a CIBC bank down there on your left. You can take the left. And you can take that left when you have Burger King and KFC around that side too. You have I think I have to go drive that road another time. Maybe I could do that and attach it to this video.
So you turn right on the green light. On the green arrow, you turn right. On the green arrow. Be very careful at this intersection. So as you turn right here, there's two big